Hello students, this video is for grade LKG. So let us start. We have three different sections in this sheet: English, Maths and EVS. Okay, so we will study about three different subjects. Let us start with English. The first question of English is: write the missing letters between the alphabets. Okay, what we have to do is we have to write the missing letter को write करना है. दो letters given है, उनके बीच में जो भी missing letters हैं वो हमें यहाँ पे fill करना है. Like you can see A and D. Okay, A दिया है और D दिया है. What we have to do, we have to write the missing letter between these alphabets. इन alphabet के बीच के जो missing letter हैं ये write करने हैं. So what is the missing in between A and D? B and C. A, B, C, D. Okay, so in this way you have to fill this. What you will do, you will fill the missing letter. Missing letter fill करेंगे जो कि इन दो letters के बीच में fill होगा. U, U, V, W, X. Okay, V and W will be filled in between U and X. Okay, so now see the next question. Describe the preposition of the marked object in the picture. Okay, पिक्चर में क्या करना है, इसमें हमें क्या करना है, वी हैव टू डिस्क्राइब द प्रीपोजिशन. प्रीपोजिशन डिस्क्राइब करना है इसमें जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट हैं इन ऑब्जेक्ट के. ओके, नाउ यू कैन सी द गर्ल इन द फर्स्ट पिक्चर. गर्ल इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ हाउस. सो व्हाट, इन विच प्रीपोजिशन वी विल सर्कल, किस प्रीपोजिशन पे हम सर्कल करेंगे, in front of. Why? Because the object means girl. Girl is standing in front of house. What we will do, we will circle in front of. See the next picture. In this एक flower है and on that flower a ladybug is there. एक ladybug है. So the ladybug is on the flower. कहाँ पे है ladybug, कहाँ है, flower के ऊपर है. So the ladybug is on the flower. So what we will do, we will circle the word on, O-N, on. We will circle the preposition word on. Okay, so like this we have to solve this English section. In the first question what we have to do, we have to fill the missing letter. Missing letter fill करना है और second question में correct preposition पे circle करना है. Okay, so we will revise letter A to Z. Okay, एक बार हम letter A से लेके Z तक revise करेंगे with two words. Everyone speak with me. A for apple. A for ant. B for ball. B for bat. C for cat. C for cow. D for doll. D for dog. E for elephant. E for egg. F for fish. F for frog. G for grapes. G for gun. H for horse. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for ink pot. J for joker. J for jug. K for kite. K for king. L for lion. L for lamp. M for monkey. M for mango. N for nose. N for nest. O for orange. O for owl. P for parrot. P for peacock. Q for queen. Q for quilt. R for rabbit. R for rose. S for sun. S for sheep. T for tiger. T for time. U for umbrella. U for uniform. V for violin. V for van. W for watch. W for well. X for Xmas tree. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Y for yacht. Z for zebra. Z for zero. Okay, so we have read A to Z alphabet with 2 words. Now see the second section, which is of maths. What we have to do in this? Position, top and bottom. In this we will talk about top and bottom position. इसमें हम positions के बारे में बात करेंगे. Means top means ऊपर, bottom means नीचे, सबसे नीचे, और top means सबसे ऊपर. Understood? So in this what we will do, the first question, circle the picture that will be on top. उस पिक्चर को सर्कल करना है जो सबसे ऊपर है, जो उन पिक्चर्स को सर्कल करना है जो ऊपर है. So which picture is on the top? Television, fox, squirrel. These pictures are on the top. ये pictures कहाँ हैं? एकदम top पर हैं. So that is why what we will do, we will circle these pictures because these pictures are on top. सो हमें इसी तरीके से सेकंड क्वेश्चन भी सॉल्व करना है। उसमें हमें क्या करना है, उन पिक्चर्स पे सर्कल करना है जो सबसे नीचे हैं, सबसे डाउन, सबसे नीचे, उन पिक्चर्स पे सर्कल। अंडरस्टूड? सो इन द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ मैथ्स what you have to do, you have to circle the picture that are on top, उन पिक्चर्स को सर्कल करना है जो टॉप पर हैं। और सेकंड क्वेश्चन में उन पिक्चर्स को सर्कल करना है जो बॉटम में, मीन सबसे नीचे हैं। नाउ एवरीवन रिपीट द स्पेलिंग ऑफ टॉप एंड बॉटम विद मी। टॉप, T O P, टॉप, T O P, top, bottom, B O double T O M, bottom, B O double T O M, bottom, top and bottom. So you will learn these spellings also, and in the maths what you have to do, just you will circle the pictures on the top and pictures on the bottom. Okay, yeah. Now the last section, which is of EVS, trace it. What you have to do in this, we have to trace. Word is given, एक word दिया है school, एक word है school, S C H double O L, school, S C H double O L, school. Okay, what you have to do, you have to trace the lines on these dots. Okay, in dots पे आपको trace करना है and you have to write. You will pronunciate is also. Okay, इसको आप बोलेंगे भी और write भी करेंगे. Understood? S C H double O L, school. Okay, so this was all about today's sheet. If you still have any kind of doubt in any question, you can ask me. Thank you.